Hi guys, we're looking at our problem 2 for assignment 12. And this one we are looking at a payoff matrix that involves two sandwich shops, Bread Basket and Quick Lunch, and they both serve a small town. And each shop can choose to set a high price or a low price for its sandwiches. And we're going to build or we're going to fill in our payoff matrix on our spreadsheet based on the information right down here. Um, and that's going to show the daily profits depending on whether they choose a high or a low price strategy. And we're going to the first entry in green is going to show bread baskets of profits, and the second entry in purple is going to show quick lunches of profits. So what you're going to see is this, and we need to fill these in. So we look at quick lunch is going from top to bottom in the purple. So their high prices here and their low prices here. And breadbasket is going from left to right in green. Their high prices here and here, and their low prices here and here. So let's see what we have. Let's go back, and we see, okay, so if both shops choose a high price, bread basket's profit will be 105, and quick lunches will be 110. So this is they both choose high. So what does that mean? Well, we come back over here and they both choose high. That's right here, and that's here and here. Okay, now I forgot what it was, so let's go back and so let's see. Bread basket's 105 and quick lunch is 110. So bread basket 105, quick lunch 110. So bread basket's here at 105, and quick lunch is here for their high price at 110. And I've got these formatted for dollars, so you just need to type in the number. Okay, so that's if they both choose high. All right, here and here. Now, if both choose low, breadbasket's profit will be 75 and quick lunches will be 70. And that's if they both choose low, which would be here. Let's see. I'm sorry, would be here. Here and here. Okay. So I can't remember what it was. Let's go back. So it's low here, low here. Okay. Um, so that means that we need to go back and look. So I'm just thinking about this. This is easy to get confused. So bread basket's 75, so it's higher. Bread basket's 75. So that's right here for low, 75. They're in green. And quick lunches, their low is here, so they're 70. Okay. All righty. Now, let's go back. If bread basket chooses high and quick lunch chooses low, bread basket will be 40 and quick lunch will be 130. So let's just take this one thing at a time. If bread basket chooses high, they'll be 40. Okay. And if quick lunch chooses low, sorry, if quick lunch chooses low, all right. So bread basket's high is here. Okay. Their high is in the green across here. Quick lunch low is here. So their profit will be whatever I just said. I don't remember what it was. Let's go back again. It's going to be 40. Okay. Quick lunch is 130. Okay. So bread basket's 40 right here. And quick lunch, if they choose high, low, would be 140. So that's high for a bread a basket, right? And low for a quick lunch. That would be 40 and 140. Did I say that right? 41, 140? Let me make sure. 40, 130. Whoa! Go back. 130. 130. Okay. Now we need to know what would happen if bread basket chooses low and quick lunch chooses high. Bread basket low, quick lunch high. Let's go back here again. So low for bread, high for quick. Bread's going to be 120 and quick is going to be 80. Bread's going to be 120 and quick is going to be 80. So 120 for bread right here. Oops, 120 and 80 for, there you go. So there's our matrix, okay? Now let's just check that and make sure. So let's see, let's go back over here and go down here and let's look at it. 105, 110, 120, 180. 105, 110, 120, 180, yep. And 40, 130, 75, 70. 40, 130. Okay, so this is it. This is correct. So now we need to answer some questions based on our payoff of matrix, okay? Now this is where you really, this is confusing. So I want you to just spend some time looking at this and think of it like this. Let's start with a quick lunch. If quick lunch chooses a high price, okay, they're going to either be here or they're going to be here, okay? And what we're looking at is, are they better off no matter what breadbasket does? Is quick lunch better off than picking a low? Well, they're worse off here, right? Like if a bread basket picked high and quick lunch went high, they get 110. But if bread basket, but if they picked low, they would be better. So this isn't, so if bread basket goes high, quick lunch should go low, okay? If quick lunch decides to if they go high and bread basket goes low, they would be better off going high than going low. So there's no choice that quick lunch can take here that's going to guarantee they would be better off than their other choice, because here a high price is worse than the low, and here a high price is better than the low, okay? I hope I didn't confuse you with that. I'm going to go over it again, and we're going to talk about it in our next video when we do this new payoff matrix. But in answering the question, which is, let me think, where is it? It's over here, right? Yeah. The question is, does each shop have a dominant strategy to set a high price, a low price, or does it have no dominant strategy? Okay, well, the answer is, let me just get to the answer. So bread basket has a dominant strategy for setting a low, but quick lunch does not have one. And now we just saw that when we looked at our matrix right down here, wherever it went, over here. We can see, let me just use the one that we're working on so you don't get mixed up by this over here. This is what we're concentrating on right here. If bread basket chooses low, right, they're better off either way, right? If quick lunch goes high, they're better off because 120 is better than 105, because you're comparing. When bread basket makes their choice, they're looking at, are they better off than the other's choice, no matter what the other, no matter what quick lunch does. So if bread basket goes low, they're better off if quick lunch goes high, because 120 is higher than 105, and they're better off if quick lunch goes low, because 75 is better than 40. So bread basket has a dominant strategy to go low, whereas quick lunch doesn't have a dominant strategy because 110 is greater than 130, but 80 is less than 70. So they can't, if they went high, it would depend on what breadbasket did. So they can't really guarantee they're having their best option by picking either high or low. Okay. All right. Whoops, wrong place. Let's go back to where we want to go back to here. Okay. So if the two shops do not cooperate, what will the profit be for each shop? Okay, well, we know that bread basket has a dominant strategy for going low. So let's jump back over to our. So bread basket is going to go low, and if they go low, then Quick Lunch, their best option is to go high because 80 is better than 70. So the profit for bread basket is going to be 120, and the profit for Quick Lunch is going to be 80 because that's the best they can do when bread basket goes low. Because there are two choices are either 80 or 70. So they're going to choose 80. So the answer is, let me make sure I get the right one here. The answer is answered. Let's go to the answer. The answer would be, yeah, a basket would have a profit of earn a profit of 120, and Quick Lunch 80. Bread basket will set a low price because that's their dominant strategy, and Quick Lunch will respond by choosing a high price, just like I said, because 80 is greater than 70. Okay. Next here. Okay, now, let's see. If the town government is concerned that food prices are too high, it decides to give a daily subsidy of 20 to any shop that chooses to set a low price for its food items. Redraw or redo, I guess, the payoff matrix under the government subsidy system. Okay, when we come back on the next video, we're going to create this new matrix from yours, which looks like this right here. I'm going to explain how we do that. And guys, please don't just freeze the video and copy out the answers, because if you do and don't absolutely understand how this works, you're going to struggle with the quiz. And I mean, you will struggle. Okay, I'll be back.